Okay, next step, we've included a Boolean field into our lessons table, so it only makes sense to actually update our form for creating lessons and updating lessons so that we can actually change a particular lesson from free to premium. Okay, so first of all, I'll head over to my lessons class, and right here I'm gonna set this.premium to be equal to lesson.premium or false, because we want our lesson to be by default free in case we don't want it to be premium. Okay, so next step, looks like on our data we need premium, which we're gonna set to false by default. Okay, we need a checkbox field, so I'm gonna head over to our form and I'm gonna simply duplicate this form group, pull this out, and for now we're gonna do with a simple checkbox, and we'll bind the v model to be equals to premium. Okay, so automatically once we set that, it's going to send the data with the form, which means on our Laravel side would also be receiving that in this right here because we're sending the complete lesson object. Okay, so let's save that, head over to our browser, refresh, click on the edit button, and there we have our checkbox right there. Okay, so we're gonna actually set up a label right here, and this is gonna say premium, and we'll echo out lesson.premium right here. Okay, so refresh, click on edit lesson, and when we click on this we have premium true, and automatically it's going to toggle that field in our database. Okay, so this is what we want. If we close this, create a new lesson, automatically is set to premium false. Okay, so this looks like it works as expected. Let's check out our request. When we make that Ajax request to create a lesson, it's automatically going to pass the lesson object, which means Laravel is receiving that field also. An update lesson does the same thing, so we're good to go. So next thing is to check out our lessons controller and look at what we have. So let's head over to our create lesson. So it's also passing request all, meaning it's going to also persist that data, and our update lesson is also passing in request all. Okay, looks great. Some lesson as a premium lesson and then see what we get, because I have all of this seeded data and automatically all of them have set their premium to false. Okay, so I'm gonna edit this, set this to true, save lesson, and then click on that edit, and once we get the response from the server, we see that it's automatically set premium to 1. Okay, means this is a premium lesson.